Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of Kit Conspiracy. This is day one of our second week doing Kit Conspiracy this November. Yesterday was the kit share. In case you missed that, you can go back and check it out. And I am doing this with MK Gunn over on her channel, some assemblage required. So don't forget to check her out as well. The kit we are using today is based off of the Cocoa Vanilla No Limits. It is, I don't know that we have everything in the kit, but both of our kits are full of embellishments and paper from this particular kit. I did pull in some additional embellishments, and this week I went a little crazy doing mixed media, so there's several days that there will be mixed media on my layouts. So I am just doing the packaging technique, adding some, let's see here, Distress Oxide spray in Hickory Smoke and in Stormy Sky. Sorry, I had to look that one up because I didn't have it sitting in front of me. So Stormy Sky and Hickory Smoke. And then I am adding some blue, it's called Denim Stencil Butter from the Crafter's Workshop. And then I'm doing a little bit of splatter in Mineral, which is a Dina Wakley Media Gloss spray. And some additional splatter of Ahoy Matey, which is a Shimmers Colorings. So I will have links down below to all of these products, including the stencil which I used, which is also from the Crafter's Workshop. I think it's called Tile Mania or Tile something. Anyway, I will put a link down below for all of those things so that you can find them if you are interested in purchasing them. And I do use affiliate links, as the ticker said in the beginning of the video. So if you want to help me out a bit, you can use the links down below and I will get a little bit of money back from that. If not, that's okay too. Don't feel like you are required to. So if you have a particular place you like to shop, go ahead and shop there. Anyway, I have these three photos. It's me in the blue shirt, and then my son is in the white shirt, and my nephew's in the black sweatshirt. And these are from 2008, I believe. And we are at the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. And so I pulled in some wood from MK's shop. This is the MDF wood that she used to sell. She has gone to a thinner wood now, in case you didn't know that. I'm super excited about the thinner wood. I really love it. It's about half the thickness of the wood that she had prior. But I do still have quite a stash of this MDF wood that's a little bit on the thicker side. So I definitely want to get those used up and start, I was going to say collecting the newer pieces, but and start using the newer pieces. I don't just want to collect them. I want to use them. So I thought these light bulbs were perfect because these rides have lots of lights on them. You can see the lights in the background of the two lower photos. And there's just lights all up and down the, I don't even know what they're called, the metal pieces. And so I thought I'd use those. I thought they were kind of fun. I also wanted to use those tickets because I thought they were perfect for this type of a thing. The Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk is a place where you have tickets for each ride. It's not like you pay an entrance fee and it covers all of the rides, like say Disneyland or something like that. This it's free to go to the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. You just have to buy tickets to ride the rides. So I thought that was perfect. I'm going to go ahead and use those. And then I really liked the chipboard that says Epic. So I'm going to use that in conjunction with the yellow piece that says What a Blast there. I'm going to cover up What a and put Epic Blast as my title. I don't use some of the bits that are down at the bottom there, the piece that says fun, and the piece that says let's go. I am going to end up using that rocket ship that's up on the right hand side. And I'm not doing my journaling on screen, but I will be journaling about these rides. One of them's called Tornado and the other one is called Tsunami. So I will do some journaling about those off camera, so you're not going to be able to see that, but it will go just underneath the title piece that is going underneath the photo on the left-hand side. I know it looks like I'm putting it above, but I'm going to move it. It's too close to those light bulbs, and I don't really want it so close up there. I want my embellishment areas spread out a little bit further. And so I'm going to go ahead and spread that out. And I really liked the colors on this. I thought that the strip there that has the diagonal stripes on it were like the perfect colors for these rides, and I almost used a lot more of that paper than I ended up using because it matched so well. But I really liked this teal turquoise color paper for the background, so I end up only just bringing in bits of that orange, well, the striped paper that has the orange and yellow and red and all of those blues and greens on it. So it just matched that ride, especially the bottom one. It matched it so perfectly. So I do bring in bits and pieces of it here and there, and I use it on a couple other, or at least one other layout this week, on Friday's layout, I believe. So I'm just covering up the part that says "What a Blast" or "What a" with that piece of paper. I considered trying to have it say "What an epic blast," but it says "a," not "an," so I couldn't put "What a epic blast" because that, is not grammatically correct. So I just crossed it out and I put "epic blast," and I'm going to add another piece over there to that title, and it is going to say it's going to add to it. I think it's like "epic legendary blast" or something. I can't even remember because I've done so many of these layouts. Yeah, epic legendary blast. So I'm going to use one of the little word stickers. You can see it on the sticker sheet on the right underneath my ATG gun there. There's a bunch of word stickers there. I'm going to pull one that says legendary, and so it'll say legendary epic blast. I am using just some Nuvo Deluxe adhesive to adhere all of the wood down. I'm not using anything spectacular or special. I mean, the glue is spectacular, but I'm not using anything different than I normally use for that, and it seems to hold just fine. I have been also known to use glue dots, whatever happens to be most handy and readily available. The wood, I think, holds better than the acrylic does with this particular glue, just because the wood is somewhat porous, whereas the acrylic is not. And it does hold it, but my big fear is that, if the page bends a little, those acrylic pieces or wood pieces are not flexible, so they would pop off the page. In this case, I think you'd be more likely to have your paper rip with the wood if you bent it, like it would rip the paper off. And with the acrylic, I feel like it would just pop off and the glue would be stuck to the page. I'm not really sure because I haven't tried it, but that's what I kind of feel like. So just adding my liquid glue to the light bulbs there. I wasn't sure what else I would ever use these light bulbs for, but I had to have them because they are adorable. And so this seemed to be like a great layout to put them on because there's lots of lights on this particular ride. And then I had the pieces that have, I don't know what they're called. It's got like pulleys and that kind of stuff and chain. And so I just put a piece of the chain right in front of the word epic to bring some wood down into that area because I didn't want to use another one of the tickets. I didn't want it too matchy-matchy, but I did want the wood represented down there as well. So that piece that is on top up above the lights, it says Certified Wild. And then the piece that I'm putting right by the ticket there says Living Large. And I just thought those were perfect for this layout. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys, and I hope that you are enjoying Kit Conspiracy. I'm really excited about this series, and I really love this particular collection. I thought I would do a lot more paper layering with this collection because I have more paper than I had in the last kit. I have like 2 of every sheet, and some I have 3 of, but I ended up going with way more mixed media and less layering. So hopefully you're up for that this week. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye-bye.